Imagine waking up each morning to find your crypto wallet a little fuller, all without lifting a finger. What if your digital coins could work for you, generating income day and night? In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 crypto coins for passive income in 2026, explained in a way that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for smarter ways to grow your assets, you'll discover how to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to earning while you sleep. Passive income is a powerful concept. It's money that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working for it. In the world of crypto, passive income usually comes from staking your coins or earning network rewards. This means your investments can grow on their own, giving you more freedom and flexibility. Throughout this guide, we'll break down how each featured coin helps you earn, what makes them unique, and what risks you should be aware of before you start. Let's begin by understanding the basics. How does passive income actually work in crypto? The most common method is staking, where you lock up your coins to help secure the network and in return receive regular rewards. Some networks also offer additional incentives for participating in their ecosystem. The key is to choose coins with reliable track records and transparent reward systems. As we walk through each coin, keep in mind that passive income is about steady, long-term growth rather than quick wins. Start with our first pick, Polygon, also known by its token symbol MATIC. Polygon is an Ethereum scaling network designed to make transactions faster and cheaper. It's become a favorite for developers and users who want to avoid high fees. By staking MATIC, you can earn estimated rewards of 4% to 7% per year. This makes Polygon an excellent choice for conservative beginners who want steady returns without taking on too much risk. Polygon acts as a bridge, helping Ethereum handle more transactions at lower costs. This means more people can use decentralized apps and services without worrying about expensive fees. As the crypto world grows, networks like Polygon are becoming even more important. By staking MATIC, you're not just earning rewards, you're also supporting the future of blockchain technology. Staking MATIC is straightforward. You simply lock your tokens on a supported platform and in return you receive regular rewards. Most major crypto exchanges and wallets offer easy staking options for Polygon. The process is beginner-friendly and you can start with a small amount to test the waters. Just remember to use trusted platforms and keep your private keys safe. If you stake MATIC, you can expect annual rewards between 4% and 7%. These returns are relatively stable, but it's important to remember that crypto prices can fluctuate. While staking can provide steady income, the value of your holdings may rise or fall with the market. Always consider both the potential rewards and the risks before committing your funds. Polygon is especially popular among beginners because it offers a balance of safety and reward. Its user-friendly staking process and established reputation make it a solid entry point for those new to crypto passive income. If you're looking for a coin that's easy to understand and manage, Polygon is a great place to start your journey. Next up is Solana, known for its lightning-fast blockchain and growing ecosystem. Solana powers a wide range of decentralized finance, DeFi projects, NFT platforms, and blockchain games. Its speed and low fees have attracted developers and investors alike. By staking SOL, you can earn higher rewards compared to many other coins, making it an appealing option for those willing to take on a bit more risk. Solana stands out for its ability to process thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains in the world. This speed is crucial for applications like DeFi and NFTs, where quick and affordable transactions are a must. As the Solana ecosystem continues to expand, staking SOL becomes even more attractive for those seeking passive income. Staking SOL is a simple process that can be done through various wallets and exchanges. You delegate your SOL tokens to a validator who helps secure the network. In return, you receive staking rewards, typically paid out every few days. It's important to choose a reputable validator to maximize your returns and minimize risks. Staking SOL offers annual returns of about 6% to 8%, which is higher than many other major coins. However, with higher rewards comes higher risk. Solana's network has experienced occasional outages and technical challenges, so it's important to stay informed and manage your exposure. As always, never stake more than you can afford to lose. Solana appeals to those who are comfortable with a bit more risk in exchange for higher potential rewards. Its innovative technology and active community make it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. If you're looking to diversify your passive income strategy, Solana is a strong contender worth considering. Finally, we come to Ethereum, the backbone of the entire crypto ecosystem. Ethereum is the platform that powers countless decentralized applications, smart contracts, and tokens. By staking ETH, you're participating in one of the most secure and trusted networks in the world. Let's see why Ethereum is a top choice for passive income. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's the foundation for a huge range of blockchain projects. Its security and reliability have made it the go-to platform for developers and investors alike. When you stake ETH, you're helping to maintain the network's integrity while earning steady rewards. Staking Ethereum is now easier than ever. You can stake directly through major exchanges or by running your own validator node if you have enough ETH. Most beginners choose to use trusted platforms that handle the technical details for you. Staking ETH typically requires a minimum amount, so check the requirements before you start. Staking ETH offers annual rewards of about 3% to 5%. While these returns are lower than some other coins, Ethereum's strong security and long-term potential make it a reliable choice. The network's reputation and widespread use mean your investment is backed by one of the most trusted names in crypto. Ethereum is the top choice for those who value stability and security. Its established track record and ongoing development make it a cornerstone of any passive income strategy. If you're looking for a coin that combines steady rewards with long-term growth, Ethereum is hard to beat. Let's quickly compare our top 3 picks. Polygon offers steady, beginner-friendly rewards, Solana provides higher returns with more risk, and Ethereum delivers security and trust with moderate yields. Each coin has its own strengths, so the best choice depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your holdings can help balance risk and reward. One of the most important rules for beginners is to never stake 100% of your funds. Keeping some assets liquid gives you flexibility and protects you from unexpected market changes. It's always wise to start small, learn the process, and gradually increase your stake as you gain confidence. In staking your crypto, always use reputable and secure platforms. Trusted exchanges and wallets offer better protection for your assets and often provide insurance against certain risks. Do your research before choosing where to stake and avoid platforms that promise unrealistic returns. Some platforms advertise extremely high annual percentage yields (APYs) to attract users. While these offers can be tempting, they often come with hidden risks or unsustainable models. Stick to coins and platforms with transparent, proven track records to protect your investment. While staking rewards are important, the long-term growth of a coin's price can have an even bigger impact on your returns. A coin that steadily increases in value can outpace higher-yield options that lose value over time. Always consider both yield and price potential when choosing where to invest. Passive income from crypto isn't about getting rich overnight. It's a long-term strategy that rewards patience and smart decision-making. By focusing on reliable coins and consistent rewards, you can gradually build wealth and move closer to financial freedom. Staking is the process of locking up your coins to support a blockchain network. In return, you receive rewards, usually in the form of more coins. This helps secure the network and keeps it running smoothly. Staking is a key way to earn passive income in the crypto world. Validators are special participants in a blockchain network who help verify transactions and maintain security. When you stake your coins, you often delegate them to a validator who does the technical work on your behalf. Choosing a reliable validator is crucial for maximizing your rewards and minimizing risks. Network rewards are the incentives given to those who help secure and operate a blockchain. These rewards are typically distributed to stakers and validators, encouraging more people to participate in the network. The size of the reward depends on the coin and the network's rules. While staking can be profitable, it's not without risks. The value of your staked coins can drop if the market turns, and some networks may penalize validators for bad behavior. Always research the risks before staking and never invest more than you can afford to lose. APY stands for annual percentage yield. It measures the real rate of return on your investment, taking into account the effect of compounding. In crypto, APY helps you compare different staking opportunities and understand how much you could earn over a year. Diversification means spreading your investments across different coins and strategies. This helps reduce risk and smooth out returns over time. By holding a mix of Polygon, Solana, and Ethereum, you can benefit from each coin's unique strengths while protecting your portfolio from sudden changes. Keeping your crypto safe is essential. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and store your private keys securely. Avoid sharing sensitive information and double-check the legitimacy of any platform before staking your coins. Crypto markets can be unpredictable, with prices rising and falling quickly. This volatility affects the value of your staked coins and your overall returns. Staying informed and having a long-term perspective can help you navigate these ups and downs. One of the biggest advantages of staking is compound interest. By reinvesting your rewards, you can grow your holdings faster over time. Even small, regular rewards can add up significantly if you let them compound year after year. Some staking programs require you to lock up your coins for a set period. This means you can't access or sell them until the lockup ends. Always check the terms before staking and make sure you're comfortable with the level of liquidity you'll have. A strong community can help a crypto project grow and succeed. Active communities support development, share knowledge, and help new users get started. When choosing coins to stake, consider the strength and activity of their communities. Staking and yield farming are both ways to earn passive income, but they work differently. Staking usually involves supporting a network, while yield farming often means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. Each has its own risks and rewards, so choose the one that fits your goals. Earnings from staking and passive income may be subject to taxes depending on your country's laws. Keep accurate records of your rewards and consult a tax professional if you're unsure about your obligations. Planning ahead can help you avoid surprises at tax time. The crypto world changes quickly, with new projects and updates happening all the time. Stay informed by following trusted news sources, joining community forums, and keeping up with official announcements. Knowledge is your best tool for making smart decisions. Setting realistic goals is key to success in crypto passive income. Decide how much you want to earn, how much risk you're willing to take, and how long you plan to invest. Clear goals help you stay focused and avoid emotional decisions during market swings. Regularly reviewing your staking strategy helps you stay on track. Check your rewards, monitor market conditions, and adjust your holdings as needed. Staying flexible allows you to take advantage of new opportunities and minimize losses. Every investor's journey is unique. Learn from your successes and mistakes, and don't be afraid to try new strategies as you gain experience. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and grow your passive income. Passive income from crypto can be a powerful tool for building financial freedom. By making smart choices and staying patient, you can create a steady stream of income that supports your goals and lifestyle. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Let's recap what we've covered. Passive income in crypto comes mainly from staking and network rewards. Polygon, Solana, and Ethereum are top choices for 2026, each with their own strengths and risks. Always use trusted platforms, diversify your holdings, and focus on long-term growth for the best results. Crypto passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, it can help you achieve your financial goals over time. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep learning as the crypto world evolves. Your journey to financial freedom starts with smart, consistent steps. Now that you know the basics of earning passive income with crypto, you're ready to take your first steps. Remember to start small, do your research, and focus on learning as you go. The world of crypto is full of opportunities for those who are patient and prepared. Good luck on your journey.